and welcome back to West Bay. I'm Chris Singer and this is Sophia Fidio and we're with Roatan Life Real Estate. Soph, where are we today?
So we are at a fabulous new development. This is called Acqua Di Mare, and this is a set of 8 condos that are listed for sale. There's only 7 of them listed for sale. This is the model unit. This one is already sold, but there's 7 others that are listed for sale in this complex. So here, Acqua Di Mare is in West Bay, and we are not on the ocean, but we are a 5-minute walk to West Bay Beach.
Awesome, and so these are listed at $199, right?
$199 each, and it is MLS 19-315, and these units are just under 800 square feet. So you've got indoor living space, you've got a little bit of outdoor living space, you've got some common area, you've got parking, you've got a little bit of everything that you're looking for if you're looking for a long or short-term stay here in West Bay.
This is fantastic. I mean, it's a 2-bedroom, or you can get 2-bedroom, 1-bath, or a 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
Right.
And it's a perfect place for vacation rentals, but it would be a great place to call home for long-term stays.
It really has all that you need. If you look right here, you've got a fantastic kitchen.
Yeah. I mean, it's really well built, and you've got 12-foot ceilings. So it really doesn't feel compact at all. And if you take a look around, I mean, you can get a full-size fridge. You've got a nice-size oven. It's really quite lovely.
It's great. You've got your eat-in bar here. You've got fridge, stove, microwave. You've got everything you need to make 3 meals a day if that's what you're looking for. And if you're not interested in cooking, that's okay. You're here in West Bay and there's lots of restaurant options.
Yeah, I mean, we're on Kailunda, which is actually kind of off the road of where Gumbalimba is.
Right.
So you're just a few minutes drive to the mall area in West Bay. What have you, maybe a 7-minute drive to West End? You're really in a great spot, and you're just a 5-minute walk down to the beach, so you could go and have lunch or dinner on the beach too.
It is a great location. Now, let's talk a little bit more about this living space. So you've got a full living space, indoor and outdoor right here. These high ceilings that you just mentioned are great. And so this unit is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. There are a couple in this complex that are 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Pretty much the same floor plan, except the bedrooms are just a little bit bigger.
Yeah, and you do have a laundry room in here too. Do you want to take a look? Because I think that's a really highly sought after feature. So that's just right here, isn't it? Which is perfect. So it's big enough for a stackable, full-size stackable, which is 100% something that you need when you live on an island. I mean,
absolutely, and this is great because you can wash all of your beach stuff so that you're not letting the sand hang around, and
perfect.
Quick and compact, right?
I just wanted to take a little note on this kitchen because it is so big. It's actually really spacious. I mean, we could actually make a meal if I could cook.
Right.
We could.
I could cook.
Maybe you can cook. And also, look how much storage space there is. And these are hardwoods. You can't really tell maybe in the video, but it's really solid. And you've got quartz countertops, so they really didn't. The finishes are nice.
They have very nice finishes in here, yes.
And if you look, you've got recessed lighting, you've got a little recessed ceiling there. I mean, it's really nice. They've done a great job.
And then you do have the mini splits for the air conditioning in here. You've got one here in the main living space, and then you've got one in each bedroom, which makes sure that you're only cooling the space that you're in. But, you know, on those hot summer nights, sometimes you do need a little bit of AC, and you have that option here.
Fantastic. Well, let's take a peek at the bedrooms.
So this is the first guest bedroom, or the guest bedroom.
And that's a queen-size bed, which is fantastic.
And it does have its own little patio right there.
Oh, that's great. So you could have a little privacy, which is nice.
Yeah, good place for coffee. And then let's have a quick little look over here to the bathroom for this bedroom. It's a full-size bathroom.
Oh,
it has
beautifully done.
Yeah, it is gorgeous. And you have a standalone shower, you've got the toilet, you've got the sink.
And that's high efficiency toilet as well. But take a look at this. I mean, you've got beautiful windows. These are the high-end windows too.
These are the high-end double pane windows. And then you step out here and you've got a fantastic dining space.
This is huge. I mean, this is a 4-seater. This is very nice.
And some of these tables come with the little options that you can pull the stools out for the end. So if you want to accommodate 6, you can definitely do that. They've got They've manicured the gardens,
yeah.
and they have done such a good job at them.
It feels really nice, and especially as they continue to grow, you are going to have a little bit of privacy, but it's really nice to take in the outdoor living. It's really, they've done a nice job.
Here in Roatan, you know, there's a lot of outdoor living, so you want to make the best of it.
Absolutely.
And they've done that here.
And you do have a ceiling fan, which is great, keeps the air moving around, which is very nice. And again, such high ceilings. Did you notice that these are tinted green?
I didn't notice,
yeah,
no.
they have a little tint to it, so when the sun is coming in, it kind of helps protect the heat a little bit. It's nice.
And then let's look at this master. I think they knew I was coming, Chris. Look, they've got this set up just for me.
Look at that bottle of red, ready to go.
I know.
Well, this is great. So you have a queen-size bed. You have nice windows, which is wonderful for natural light.
A lot of natural light. You've got the mini split in here. You've got a little bit of a closet tucked away there.
Mm-hmm. And you do have a little private patio again, which is also nice. It looks out onto the green. And a full-size bathroom. I love these walk-in showers. They're beautiful.
Are they gorgeous? Yeah.
I mean, whoopsies, rug, but very nice. Plenty of space. You've got a rain head. And again, tile throughout. Very nicely done.
So this is, you know, high-end finishes for such a nice little compact condo.
Mm-hmm.
It's great. So I want to show you something else, Chris.
Oh yeah, I was wondering, so this is the model unit. So what other types of layouts or what else is available?
So I have a near completed condo in this complex that's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom.
Okay.
Basic same, it's the same square footage, very near layout, but there's only 1 bathroom, so it makes it so that the bedrooms are just a little bit larger.
And then probably the living space might feel a little bit bigger too.
It does, so let's go have a look.
Oh, fantastic.
So it's really nice here. They have a lot of parking, so every unit will have their own parking space.
Very good. Well, look at all these details they've done. They've really done some nice architectural features.
They have.
Very nice.
And night lighting, and then you've got the outside water feature and the fountain.
Look at that. That's really nice. I love hearing the water.
It's very calming, isn't it?
It really is. It's very soothing. So there's a community HOA here?
There is a community HOA here. HOA fees are $350 a month, and that's going to include the common area maintenance. Mm-hmm. It's going to include the gardener. It's going to include the pool maintenance, because we do have a pool here.
Hey.
And then it's also going to include a night watchman.
Oh, that's perfect. And that's all you need.
That's all you need, but all of it's going to be paid by the HOA and provided for you so that whether you're here or you're not here, everything is being taken care of.
Fantastic. Is there any restrictions on renting out the units? Or?
No restrictions at all. If you want to put it in a renter pool with a property management, if you want to do it your own, that's up to you to decide how you want to handle that.
Excellent. Let's go take a look at that other unit.
So once again, it's almost done, so you got to use a little bit of imagination, but come on in.
No, it's very good. I like it. It's a little different. You've got the gray cabinets and
Yeah,
the white quartz.
I personally love the gray cabinet, so I think this one is going to be one of my top picks. But same great layout. You've got the outdoor living space. You've got the indoor living space.
Very nice. And so you have this nice back patio. Again, now we're looking on the opposite side of the property. Should we talk about maybe what's going on? It looks like there's probably some building or what's happening back there.
They're going to be building more of these condos. So it's going to be part of the same community, and so same finishes, you know what it's going to look like.
Great, keeping the property value up.
Absolutely, absolutely. So let's tuck into here. This is the master. So it feels just a little bit bigger.
It does, actually. You can still get a nice queen-size bed. You have your private garden. But look at that. I really like the water feature, so you're going to enjoy that fountain sound.
It's gorgeous, and it's right here onto the pool.
Gotta love that.
And we'll go and have a look at that in just a second. So let's go take a look at the slightly larger bathroom, and then at the guest bed.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's definitely larger. There's plenty of space. That shower is just huge.
It's fantastic. I love the tile choices here. It just looks really, really nice. It looks clean, it looks...
It's very nice. They've done a great job.
And then once again, as the other unit, it does have the in-suite laundry.
Perfect.
So we're just waiting on all the cabinets to be finished, and that will be finished in the same way as that model unit was
So
done.
it's basically a punch list, so you can kind of pick, you know, your own furnishings and whatnot. So is that something, if you're just moving here and maybe you don't really know, is there a way to do furniture packages?
Yeah, they do have a furniture package. That will increase the price of the unit just slightly, but they can provide for you all the appliances and the furnishings if that's something that you're looking for.
Wonderful. That just makes it so easy.
It makes it so easy.
Like that.
I like living at its best, right?
Yes, absolutely. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, again, with that feature is nice. And your little deck is looking right out onto the pool.
Exactly. So this is a good sized room. If you have kids, you can put bunk beds in here if you want to have it for a guest bedroom. Or if you're going to live here full time, this would make a great office.
Oh, yes. I'd work here.
I would work here too.
Wow. So there's, you said 7 other units, is that right?
7 other units that are currently available.
So we do have upstairs available as well.
We do have some upstairs units. There's 4 upstairs units.
And that's still the same price?
Same price, $199.
Love it. Are they willing to do financing?
They would do owner financing.
Oh, wow. They really are making it so easy.
They're making it so easy for you to buy one of these condos, Chris. So here on Roatan, financing is something that is a little bit of a challenge. They don't finance to foreigners here in Roatan, and even for locals, it is quite a strenuous process to get approved for financing through a bank.
And it's really high interest rates.
The interest rates are really high.
Yeah.
So here on Roatan, a lot of people offer owner financing, and that's what these owners are willing to do. So owner financing with about 50% down, and then payments
Quarterly, annually, whatever. You can negotiate that.
you can negotiate those details and typically pay off within 5 years.
That's fantastic. Really great.
So get lots of options for you to take that next step to moving to Roatan.
Sign that paperwork home.
No, do you want to see that pool?
I really do. That's what I was hoping
Let's
we'd
go.
go see.
So once again, look at these lush gardens. There's the pool area. It's a little bit rainy today, so we've got some extra water on hand. But what a great area, right?
Oh, it's a beautiful sized pool. I mean, this is really actually quite large.
This is where you want to do sunset drinks. This is where you can be taking your morning coffee.
Oh, I would love that.
Right?
I really love that. And they have a nice bench all the way around there, so you can definitely hang out, have a sip of something.
Yes, whether it's coffee or something a little bit stronger.
Yeah.
And then they will be putting an outdoor shower here. It's in the works right now, but that'll be nice so that once you get out of the pool, you just shower off before going into the house and making a little bit of mess.
Well, that and when you come back from the beach, rinse, and off you go.
There you go.
Fantastic. Well, thanks so much for joining us today in West Bay. We hope to see you again in a few days.
So once again, this is MLS 9P-315. We're at Acqua Di Mare condos, and these units are available for $199. We hope to see you soon.
Bye, guys.